Sneak peek, Rosen Inn. Keep watching.
Hi everyone, it's me and we're staying at Rosen Inn. This is in Orlando, Florida. Okay, so I just got here. I did a little walkthrough downstairs and I came into the room and all I did was go get some ice. Thank you for tuning in. We're staying at Rosen Inn. We're not there. I'm home. I'm somewhere else. Stay tuned. We're gonna go through the room, a little bit of the lobby, and give you a little bit of my insights afterwards. So please watch. Let's get into it. Okay, here we go. We're starting our little adventure here at Rosen Inn. This is your lobby. That was one of those vacation stop desks, and that's the check-in and a little waiting area for when you're called next. And let's move on. Let's go this way. And here's your little gift shop. You can buy sunglasses, snacks, all kinds of stuff. I think there's a microwave back there, some food you can heat up. $19. Huh? Okay, let's head to the back. Oh my god, this smells very, very old. Oh my god, this is nuts. Okay, you got your restrooms. Look, there's a fitness center. Oh my god. Video arcade, how cool. Oh my god, and it smells really weird in here too. Oh my gosh. Look, my baby loves to play this game. Oh, look at that, Walking Dead. It's been a long time since I played one of those. What is this? Squishies! Oh, I'm gonna try to win one of these squishies for my baby. I wonder how to play this. Oh my god, and a big Mickey.
Huge.
A big old Mickey.
Plushies. More.
Just a bunch of little
Plushies. Or rubber duckies, I mean.
Restroom. Drainage
Sign.
Oh my god. You know what it smells like? A wet cat. Oh my god. It smells like a wet cat. This is crazy.
Sushi area.
Okay, so this is closed. And then you have an outside area. Okay. A bar. Oh my god. This is pretty bad. So let's go back to the lobby.
Oh, but wait.
Oh look. Oh, that's just like a bar. And then here there's a restaurant which is closed. Oh my god. It smells so bad. It smells so bad in there. I almost threw up.
Okay, so let's just continue. Oh my god. Okay, moving along.
Okay, so we're going to the lobby. There's your little store. Go in there. And a little lobby area. And then the store.
It's fun that you can actually get Disney stuff before actually like hitting a park.
Everything Disney. Oh my god, and it smells so weird in here.
Another strange thing.
There's like merch in the restaurant. Well, anyway.
And here's your elevators. There's 3 of them. And there's like a little that leads out to the parking lot. Artwork, and there's that's where you drop your key in when you're done. So
all I did was go get some ice. So we're gonna go into this room and kind of explore a little bit together, which is kind of like weird in here. So it's room 321. That's the door. It's a tiny little door, so weird. I'm gonna turn this around. I'm gonna turn this around so you guys can see it. Okay, here we go.
What am I doing?
This is like this super weird light here. It's so bright. So you get in this. These are one of those, you know, just with the little card. Here you have your latch. We're gonna use that definitely. Here you go. Close the door. Now, for privacy, push the button. Okay, great. Anyway, so that's that. And here's your bathroom. We'll go in there. And here, look at that. You got some artwork. Let's turn this light on because it's super dark in here. There's your light. Here's where I turned it on. Let me step back. This is good to know. There's a little fridge and a microwave. So if I do have leftovers, I can bring them and put them in here. Okay, that's nice and cold, so that works. And here's your microwave. Let's see. Look, it's clean. It's all right. Here's your ice bucket with the ice you just got. You got a couple of cups. This is coffee cups. And then just regular, just plastic cups all wrapped up for your safety. Sugar, you got your coffee, a little Mr. Coffee Maker, which I'm always weirded about these things because I know that they don't clean them, but okay. So there's your coffee. Who knows if I'm gonna make coffee? I don't know. You got the trash can. So your bathroom. Let's go into the bathroom. Let's see what's going on over here. Okay, so we have a light. Here's your mirror, a sink, tissue paper. We love tissue paper. Towels. Oh, that reminds me, I gotta order towels. Here's your sink. Whoa, that's wrong sink. And then you get, what is this? Conditioner, shampoo. It looks like, oh no, it's full. I thought it was like halfway. And then you got your soap. It's an oatmeal soap. Little towels here. And what is this? What? A hanging towel means I'll use it again. A towel on the floor means please exchange. Okay, I understand. Hair dryer. This is crazy tiny. Oh my god, I thought that was something else. This is a tiny door. Tiny, tiny, tiny. There you can hang your stuff. Look how tiny this is. This is my arm. I can almost, my elbow is here. And you can almost touch the end. So when you gotta be a little person to fit in this bathroom. There isn't much room. This is me in here. There's your toilet. Towels. This is a nice tub. At least this is like nice, okay? Because I was worried about this tub. Okay, that's your shower curtain. So that's your shower curtain, anyway. And here's your shower head, your little itty bitty light. And here you got, that's your floor mat. Soap, that's your body soap. That's so you don't slip. Here you put all your toiletries. And that was your bathroom. All right, that's your bathroom. So yeah, and it's got one of those. It's got a doorknob. You can lock it from the inside. And here we go into the room. So we're walking in through this doorway. You got another trash can, iron board. This is a closet. I haven't opened it, but I know it's a closet. So we're going to take a look at that first. I want to try to turn on the light. Here, there's no light on the ceiling. So let's turn on the light over here, somewhere. How do you turn it on? Here, okay, great. So you could turn, it's got two switches, so you can turn on this side, this side. So let's put them both on and walk back again. Oh, there's another light over here, so we'll turn that on. So here's your closet. Let's step back and take a look at it. This reminds me of New York. This is like a standard in New York hotel. They always have these little closets because they don't have like actual closets. So there's mirrors here. Hey. You got some hangers. You got the laundry bag. Another mirror here. Oh, and it's those hangers that are like on here, like so you don't steal them. So I guess we're not stealing hangers. I hate when they do that. Okay, so now this doesn't close. You gotta close them both together. And then you have your television. Haven't tried turning that on yet, so we'll figure out the channel mess because there's always like a channel situation where you have channels and maybe you don't have channels. I don't know. So we got the two beds. This is good because I like putting my luggage on one bed. And here you got a safe right under here. There's your safe. You can store stuff down here. Look at that. We get a pen. It's like paper pen. And some paper for notes. We saw the lamp. Phone. Which I'm going to use now to call down for my pillows and my extra towels. So here we got a USB thing here. So you can have, you have an alarm. You could plug things in, or you could just directly put the USB thing here. Here you have more plugs. Your bed. Here you have a table. I wish I would have brought my laptop. I don't know why I didn't. I usually do. I always do. And this time I decided not to because it's such a short trip. But now that I see that I have all this privacy, I could have completely just like been here hanging out with my laptop. But oh well. Okay. And you know what? I did do this. When I came in, I did lower that and turn it on because it wasn't on. It wasn't on. It smelled really weird, honestly, when I walked into the room. And turned it on. Now it's better. Maybe because it's cold. Maybe it was like just smelling really weird because it was like hot. Ugh, I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna get into the smells of this hotel later. So I'm gonna turn this around so we can see the view. There's a table here. That's where I said I should have put my laptop here. I should have brought it. It's a small table. It's a small table with two chairs. So I can have a meeting here if I wanted to. I could have had a meeting with myself. So I could have been sitting here and then sitting over there and then sitting here, which maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do like a little video of me interviewing myself in the room. So let's see what we got. Okay, we're just missing this balcony and view. So let's take a look at that. I'm gonna turn it around. Okay, balcony view. Let's take a look. There's my luggage and my stuff. We went to Dunkin' Donuts. And here you got your sheer shed. You got your blackout shades that looks like, oh my god. Looks like everything's gonna be super dark here when I block everything out. Okay, so we're opening everything. I like to have everything super open. Because I like light. I like light. I love light. I like the light. This is our view of the expressway. Hey, okay, so there's your expressway. Look, you can get off over there, Universal Boulevard International Drive. You're looking at another hotel, and then another hotel, and then another hotel, another hotel, another hotel. I've stayed there before. I've stayed at that one. I've stayed there. I don't know what it's called, but I've stayed there before. And I wanted to stay there because I remember it was like it's round. So I was like, man, I want to stay there. And that's another hotel. That's another hotel. That's the parking lot. And then it looks like you have like a little, you could kind of step in on there and maybe open this, but I tried opening it and like, you can't. So this is like a fake. Is this a door? I don't know. This is very strange. So anyway, Look, you can't open it. It's stuck there. Or maybe I'm just not strong enough. But that's that. We each got 3 pillows. I'm gonna move these pillows to that bed. But you know what? I'm ordering more pillows. Because I am. So, because I like to sleep with a lot of pillows. And this chair, these are gonna be so comfy. Oh my God, I really regret not bringing my laptop. But that's that. And we got rug. We got some rug. Oh look, and you have a people. Look at that. People. And that's it. That's it for now. So I wanted to film this before I got crazy and started messing everything up. Now we'll be right back with more. Thank you so much for watching. We stayed at the Rosen Inn and I did want to get into the smells. The smells were horrible. When you walk in, there's a distinct smell. When you keep on walking through, there's another smell. And then when you go into the shop, there's another smell, there's a smell. It just is never ending. I was very afraid. I was very afraid. I was very, very afraid. Because when I'm traveling, I like to stay in hotels that are comfortable because you're gonna be there for a certain amount of time and you're away from home. Talking about that, when I got into the room, it smelled horrible. I thought that I was gonna have a fit. However, once I turned on the AC, it did eliminate the smell. And I think it was probably because it was so hot in there that it was like musty, and it didn't help. It didn't help that the AC was off. But once I turned it on, it did help a lot. I don't know if maybe it's that I got used to it, but it did help. I was happy. I was comfortable. It was a very comfortable room. I was very, very comfortable. I didn't hear anyone like walking around outside, or I didn't hear sounds from maybe the parking lot, people coming in. So I was happy. I was happy with it. Would I stay there again if it was my decision? No. But if that's the option, because that's the only option, okay, great. I'll do it. I don't mind. Now that I know what I'm gonna expect. So now I know that walking into that hotel is gonna be a nightmare. And then as soon as I go into the room, turn the AC on, okay, great, because it's actually a really good value. The only thing is that the smells were just insane. So if you are staying at Rosen Inn, keep that in mind. Just my opinion. I don't know, you might not care for, you know, the smells or whatever, but once you're in the room, because really that's what you're doing, you're going to this hotel just to have somewhere to sleep while you're doing whatever it is that you're doing during the day. If it's like a conference, or if you're gonna go to Universal or Disney, it's good. It's good. You're gonna be comfortable. Just keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. We love you guys. The kid wasn't here this time, but hopefully we'll get her there soon. And give us a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.